Quranic thinking and experience from the 14th of the 7th month of 1446. Let's not get lost in second-hand debates. The belief remains in what was sent and fate. Appearance in the past is not the same as being produced by the causal, and theological terms of nitpicking are not our mate. Here we interpret and manifest according to our own wills. Al-Mu'tazila, thou separate and withdraw, believed in such as the limited will, but their enforcement of alleged orthodoxy was how they were self-destroying. The world and ourselves is divinely revealing. Literal is fine, but we are to live the symbols. Technical doesn't have to conflict with the emotional and the acting. Continually guiding is our own experience of what we are practicing. So the Mutazilites were those that separated themselves from the theological debate of the difference between a sinner and a disbeliever. Also, issues that seemed like secular speculation. And they tried to force their way on other people, and that call led to their virtual disappearance. And the Sunnis became more dominant after that as a result. Now, some people will justify what they did, saying, oh, whether their position was right or wrong. And it's like, regardless, Islam says it's wrong to try to enforce that stuff. So they called themselves Aho Tawhida wal Adl. So the people of monotheism and justice. But if we remember from the Quran, one of the key teachings is that we're not supposed to invent all these titles to make ourselves out to be different and better than the other people. If you're Muslim, you're a Muslim. That's,